What is central dogma? The central dogma is the process by which the instructions in DNA are converted into a functional product. It was first proposed in 1958 by Francis Crick, discoverer of the structure of DNA. The central dogma, this states that once information was passed into protein, it cannot get out again. In more detail, the transfer of information from nucleic acid to nucleic acid or from nucleic acid to protein may be possible, but transfer from protein to protein or from protein to nucleic acid is impossible. Information means here the precise determination of sequence, either of bases in the nucleic acid or of amino acid residues in the protein. Why is it called the central dogma of biology? These were protein to protein, protein to RNA, and above all, protein to DNA. This was what Crick meant when he said that once information had gone from DNA into the protein, it could not get out of the protein and go back into the genetic code. This is the central dogma. What are the three parts of central dogma? Replication, transcription, and translation are the three main processes used by all cells to maintain their genetic information and to convert the genetic information encoded in the DNA into gene products, which are either RNAs or proteins depending. Why the central dogma important? The central dogma provides the basic framework for how genetic information flows from a DNA sequence to a protein product inside cells, and thus give an insight to the important processes going on inside the cells.